So Kevin's been doing pretty good on the streamer over there. See him in action. So I have not, however, had one bite on it. So if you guys can see this, I'm going to do actually set up an indicator, which is a fancy word for a bobber, and do a red chironomid with suspending a kind of like white-orange scud, which is just a freshwater shrimp, and see what happens. These big lakes have both of these year-round, so see what happens. So here's the indicator rig. Just got a orange bobber basically with the two nymphs underneath it. And then Kevin's got the streamer going over there. Multiple hits. Way better at the streamer than I am. Alright, we got one on the indicator rig. Knock him down. Oh, nice. I got a leaper. Yeah, man, that's a nice fish. All right, Kevin, what was the lesson from the day?